that the oven degreaser again? The one you use for your hands?
Yeah.
You're not gonna puncture the hose by it staying on top of the blade?
Huh?
You're not gonna puncture the hose by keeping it on top of the blade?
No.
Whoa, it's white? Oh no, that's the cleaner.
See that shit clean?
What else you got to clean? Over here too, or no?
Where?
In here?
See, come over there. He's got that stuff 360 degrees.
It's not gonna mess up the motor by putting that stuff in there?
We'll soon find out. He won't start, he messed it up.
Are you checking to see if it's dripping?
No, check and see if he's somewhere more over here. He's gonna be cleaner than a pigeon's Peter.
Is it good?
Huh?
Is it good now?
Yeah, it's better than before.
Better than before.
Is your